Having trouble with YouTube videos not playing automatically? In this guide, you'll learn to enable the autoplay feature and enjoy uninterrupted video playback on your phone. First of all, open the YouTube applications. Make sure you're signed into your account and using the latest version of the app for the best experience. Next, tap your profile picture located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open your account page where you can access various YouTube settings and preferences. From the menu, tap Settings. Inside the Settings section, scroll down until you find Playback and tap it to open the Playback Options menu. Look for the Autoplay setting. You will see a toggle switch labeled for mobile phone/tablet playback. If the switch is turned off, tap it once to enable it. When the toggle turns on, YouTube will automatically play the next recommended video after the current one finishes. If autoplay is already enabled but still not working, try restarting the YouTube app, checking your internet connection, or updating the app through your device's app store. In some cases, battery-saving modes or restricted background activity settings may also affect autoplay functionality. Once enabled, play any video and wait for it to finish. You should see the next recommended video begin automatically. Autoplay is now enabled and ready to go. Follow for more quick tech tips, app tutorials, and easy smartphone guides.